French fries go well with ketchup but potato chips don't. Someone said it already but yeah, love me some ketchup chips. Someone has not been exposed to the joy that is Lay's ketchup chips. Speak for yourself, friend. But then, I like peanut butter on a bacon hamburger. I've never needed any sauce for chips but ketchup on pot chips actually sounds pretty good. Potato chips and ketchup is better than French fries and ketchup. We used to make a homemade chip dip with ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and horseradish. It was dope when I was 8, I haven't tried it recently so not sure if I'd recommend it still. Like fuck they don't. Butter 2 pieces of bread, potato chips between them, tomato sauce for pure godliness.